Unboxing Garmin RV 795. From route roulette to RV road trip royalty. Ever felt like your GPS is the road trip rebel, luring you under low bridges, stranding you on skinny streets, or blanking on nearby RV spots like it's playing hide and seek? It's that gut-twisting frustration when your rig's ready but route's rebel, turning adventures into anxious detours. Picture this: a scenic detour dead-ending in a weight limit wall, your vacation vibe vanishing in vapor. If this haul's too heavy, drop your hairiest highway horror in the comments. Let's reroute the rue with a rueful grin. But what if one navigator nixed the nonsense? Those hairpin-heart races where clearance scares spike stress surges, scorching serenity as burnout builds from bridge blunders and boondock blind spots, all while family fun fades fast? Cross-country caravans? Yeah, it's harrowing when custom routing cravings crash into generic glitches, warping wanderlust into weary wanders. Imagine anchoring that assured autopilot over your RV odysseys. No frantic forks or forgotten feeds, just intuitive 7-inch guidance that grounds your groove. If you're hauled into hazard hurdles, this could chart your chill without extra encumbrances or exhaustion. What's your wildest wayward waypoint? Waylay it below. Enter the Garmin RV 795 7-inch RV GPS navigator, your breakthrough beacon on the blacktop. A high-res touchscreen trailblazer with North America maps, US, Mexico, Canada, Puerto Rico, US Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Bahamas, custom RV routing by size and weight, preloaded RV parks and services directory from TripAdvisor, ultimate public campgrounds, KOA, US National Parks, Plan RV, and Foursquare PO is, plus bird's eye satellite imagery, road warnings for steep grades, sharp curves, and weight limits, and Garmin Drive app pairing for live traffic, weather, fuel prices, and smart notifications. Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice assist commands, and BC50 backup camera compatibility, sold separately, seal the safety pact, with lifetime free map updates via Wi-Fi. Feel the freedom. Pixels popping like prairie sunsets. Your intuition intuiting idyllic itineraries as stereo alerts sings safety sonnets. No detours derailing the delight. Take Riley, the retiree rover whose old app routed him into urban underpasses, until the RV 795's profile plotted pristine paths, dodging disasters with directory digs for dump stations. His sunset strolls serene over scenic suggestions. Or Lena, the family fleet-footed, voice-activated detours danced around delays, bird's-eye easing arrivals at pet-friendly paths, her crew's cheers cascading. Here's one way the Garmin RV 795 saved the day for a busy professional. Mid-merger move, grade gauge glitched elsewhere, but warnings warded off wipeouts, reclaiming road rhythm for remote rendezvous. Sensory sweep? That first reroute's reassuring ring. Narrative nectar for nomadic narratives. Why hazard hunches when this helmsperson heralds horizons? If you're geared for that glide, comment, route me, for the profile whisper. Linger for the bonus bird's eye hack that hones Haven's hypnotic. Your highway haven hails here. Unlock unbridled unscroll with the Garmin RV 795, where 7-inch high-res clarity and custom RV routing refine your resolve. Evicting errant excursions for performance that purrs like a purring engine. Journeys juiced, jaunts justified in judicious joy without the jitters. Sidestep the setup stumbles. Bird's eye satellite views and road warnings wrangle waypoint worries. Preloaded directory delving deep from KOA camps to national park nooks. Amplifying your arc from anxious to adventurous. Miles mined for magic, not mishap mints. Thousands trailblaze tales as it transmutes trepidation to triumph. That voice assist vibe voicing verdant ventures. App alerts awakening awareness. See why it's the rig rider's right. RV Miles expert extols it, a worthy addition. Balance of screen size, RV-specific features, and routing performance. GS for Life reviewer raves. Subtle and efficient. Beginner-friendly but feature-rich. Peace of mind invaluable. RV properly analyst affirms, delivers the most all-around bang, pleasant user experience, digestible price. Walmart user cheers, Perfect for any full or part-time RVer, hundreds of RV campgrounds. Another best by buyer beams, moved up from old TomTom, best on market and size great. Objection to occasional odd routes. Easy, manual overrides and profile precision prevail, reinforcing UVP with lifetime updates that lap the laggards. Which waypoint wonder woos, directory depth or warning wisdom? Comment below and convoy the convo. Rhetorically, doesn't your dashboard deserve this directional draw, that subtle satellite size seducing safer sojourns? Narrative nuance. Envision the mount's magnet like a mapmaker's muse, performance peaking as voice intuition vaults your velocity. Lightly saucy. Why wing it with wayward apps when Garmin RV 795 governs with GPS gravitas? No guesswork or grief. Curiosity crests. What's the veiled voice command vet's voice? Limited lanes loading. Latch your Garmin RV 795 before backorder backups block. Banding with boondockers who've boosted via 7-inch custom routing radiance, bird's eye bliss, and directory dominance, ditching dread for dreamy drives. Don't detour as deals dissipate. Drive it today and detect the delta of destined drifts. One road rover raved. Couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow, from bridge blunders to blissed-out byways. If you're burdened by bad routes or blind boondocks, this may change your game. Comment yes for the exclusive app Alert Ace inside. Click to claim that scenic suggestion spark, making meanders mesmerizing. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.